Right now, in the last two videos we did, we're done with our YouTube thumbnail, and also you know your profile. You can use your picture, your full picture. It does a what's it called, a passport picture that will be showing your face boldly in the circle. Understand? We'll be doing that right now. You see how you're gonna do that. So right now I'll be logging straight into my browser. I'll be using crypto tab. So like now we'll go straight and type youtube.com. Good. So youtube.com, then you search youtube.com. So right now this is youtube.com. You can see it's youtube.com. This is what we call these things you are seeing in the front of this video before you click on it. All these pictures you are seeing in the front of this video before clicking on it are called thumbnails. That is what we did in the other video recently. So we'll be talking about that shortly. So right now we'll be clicking on these three dots on the top here, these three dots up here. So we'll be clicking on it. Click on it. Then you click on this place they say here. You click on this place they say desktop site. So let's click on desktop site so that we'll convert this to a desktop site so that we can work and also have effects enough just as the system. Normally what we're going to be doing here is exactly the way you're going to see them on your laptop. If you have a laptop, that's a PC. If you have a personal computer, you'll be seeing it exactly this way. But for us, we don't have a personal computer right now. We want to use our smartphone and work everything. So right now we have to convert it to a desktop site, which we have just done. So that will enable us to have all the effects and also work efficiently to get what we want. So right now we'll be clicking on this logo up here, this logo up here, this Y logo up here. That's our channel. We'll be clicking on it. Click on it. Then once you click on it, it will read and it will show you here on the top your channel. So you click on your channel. So click on your channel and it will take us to our channel. We have already created a channel with this Gmail on the other video I made for you guys. So you see right here we have created a channel already. So right now they're telling us to customize our channel. So we'll be customizing our channel up here. So let's click on customize. So it will take us to, okay, I want to customize our channel right now. So right now it says get the app. We are not getting the app right now. Let's use the site so that we'll get enough effects and features. So use the site. So right now we are logging into the site, into the YouTube Studio site on desktop. That means we are appearing as if we are using a laptop or a desktop computer. So right now it will show that way on our smartphone. I'm using a smartphone to do this video. So right now I'm using a smartphone. So let's see how it goes. It's loading. Good one. It's loaded. Now looking at it here, it says welcome to YouTube Studio. You see it right here. Welcome to YouTube Studio. They say that YouTube Studio has personalized insights and blah 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 blah. So we'll just click on continue. So right now look at this, we are on the YouTube Studio right now. You get, this is our YouTube Studio. This is our YouTube Studio. So right now we are on customize. Look at it right now. We're on the customized side. Look at it here. Let me show you. Look at it up here. They say YouTube customization. So right now we are going to customize this YouTube channel. So right now customizing this YouTube channel, we don't have video to put right now. This place will leave it. We'll leave this layer. Let's go to branding. So right now this is where we're going to work for. Let's go to branding. Let's brand this YouTube channel right now. Okay, let me choose. I've choose a photo. Click on the photo you want, then choose it, then set the photo very well. So I've set mine, then I'll click. So right now you see one I've uploaded already. Then I want to put my banner. So let's get the banner. The banner we dictated lastly. Let's get the banner. Okay, let's get this one. This was the banner we used lastly. So okay. So you're gonna make it visible on all device. Visible on all device. So right now we're gonna make it visible on all device. So it's visible on all device. Right now it is visible on all device. So you can see it this way on the laptop. You can also see it this way on your smartphone. So right now make sure it is visible on all device, please. Okay, we'll click on done. So when you click on done, it will read, and you see right now it's appeared visible on all device. Let me show you. Look at it. It appeared this way on this device. It appeared the same way here on the laptop, on the desktop, and also on the phone here. You see it. You see everything here. Look at on the phone here. It appeared exactly that way. Also looking at it right here on the laptop, it appeared that way. Looking at it right here also on the on the desktop, look at it here, it's also appear that way. So that means that this particular banner we created and the setup is correct. So that is it. So we're done with this. So okay, you can also add up a watermark, which means that when someone is watching your video, that watermark will show up. So let's upload the watermark. So normally I like using my photos to do that, but I'll not be doing that with my photos right here. Let me go and use a YouTube logo because my channel is all about YouTube. So I'll be using a YouTube logo here. Excuse me, let me get a good picture. Excuse me. Okay. So okay, I would like using this YouTube logo here. Let me use this YouTube picture. So I'll set it up very well. So I'll click it done. So right now when you're watching my video, this YouTube, look at it right here. So when you're watching my video, this YouTube logo will just stay at the side here. Understand? It's also give a picture that I'm doing YouTube videos, that I'm very good in YouTube videos, and you can get more or learn more from me on my YouTube channel. So right now we are done with this. Understand? You can now save it. So let's customize it. Let's go to the basic infos. So you can still customize this here, but right now we're not customizing this one. Let's leave this. So we'll click on this place, they say publish. We click on this place, they say publish. So let's click on it, publish, so that I'll publish this thing and everyone can see it on our YouTube channel. So right now it's have published. Once it publish, it will pump up and tell you visit YouTube channel. So let it, okay, right now look at it right here. It says visit YouTube channel. Okay, so let me show you the next way to do it. So right now we'll be clicking on this. Let's click on this icon here. Yes, let's click on it. Click on it. Then to tell you switch account. So let's switch accounts. Click on it. Then you click on switch account. So you switch to this. Then it will take you to YouTube straight. That is the YouTube app. We're not on the site. We are going to the YouTube app to see what we have done so far. So right now we are here. So let's click on the icon up here. Click on this icon up here. So let's click on this icon up here. Then click on your channel. Good one. You see it right now. Look at how our YouTube channel look like right now. This is how our YouTube channel look exactly like. You see it. We don't have any video for now. We don't have any playlist for now. We don't have any subscribe channels for now, and we don't have anything about this channel. We have not edited about this channel. So now let's go and edit about this channel. We'll do that. Click on this pencil icon here. For you to do that, you click on this pencil icon here. So let's click on the pencil icon. Excuse me. So when you click on the pencil icon, you can also change your YouTube name. So right now I can change my YouTube name to social media. I can still change it to social media. So let's change it to social media. Social media. You can change it at any time. So that is it. So we can also put our description. Understand? You can also upload your description, telling them what your channel is all about. I can just say welcome to my YouTube channel. Understand? I do upload video about YouTubing, how to monetize your YouTube channel. How to, understand? You start telling them what you do. Then like, okay, I upload my videos every Mondays and every Tuesdays. You write that. Understand? I upload videos. Videos. I will not be writing all this. I upload videos every Friday, every Saturday. Then you just tell them everything about your channel, and that helps YouTube to promote your channel to people that need your product. Then at the end, you don't forget to tell them, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to tell them that. So that is it. This statement here, which is known as, we call it CTA, call to action. So don't forget the call to action. So that is how you just do it, and you click OK, and it will just save up. Look at it right now. So I've not edited this in already. This is not how you do it. I just did this to show you example. So once you are done and you save it, everything will just show up here. So that is it. Then these two icons here, let me show you what these two icons here are doing. These two icons here, this icon and the second, they say keep all my subscribers private. So when you click on this right now, all these channels you have subscribed to will be private. Nobody will see the channel you subscribe to. Then when you click on this playlist, nobody will see the playlist that you have worked with. All of them will become private, you understand? So it will make it private to you, so your playlist will not be showing, you get. So that is it. So me, I like putting these things on private. For I don't know for you. So that is it. So once you're done, you click on the back button and look at it right here. Everything have changed. It have changed to social media, everything. You see how this channel look right now. So this is how to do the first step of customization. So we have customized the first step that will make our YouTube channel look very good. When somebody come into this YouTube channel right now, the person will feel a little bit happy with the channel before talking more of subscribing or doing any other thing. So that is it. Thank you.